The great ones of the earth have conspired to destroy most of the sons of Adam and Eve, obeying their master. They have put the ring in your noses and led you to the slaughter. Most of you are complying against my will. You have trusted in their lies and wicked laws, and argued amongst yourselves, hoping against hope. All will be well in the end. Not so, not possible, too late. It cannot be so, my children, for they serve one who has wanted to destroy humanity from the moment he knew of your existence at the beginning of time, and each one individually at your birth. The ones that follow him and that were thrown down out of heaven at the same time are also consumed with a hatred for humanity, as they blame you all for their fall from grace. They will not stop until the end of time to conspire your destruction. Their human minions become as their diabolical masters, consumed with hate for you, my children, and want to eliminate most of humanity in the planned cull. I have held off their plans, stalled and waylaid their designs, putrid machinations, and evil for ages. But you yourselves have exercised your free will and acquiesced to their agenda. Your silence, indifference, and/or agreement to their laws and dictates of abortion, war, destruction of the natural law, and the 10 Commandments has forced me to leave you to your own devices. My hand of protection has now been lifted off the earth. The evil of mankind is now so great as to be like a magnet, drawing judgment and wrath down upon yourselves. For my mercy and love are backed by justice and tribulation. You want to continue to live your lives as in the past, but the days of yesteryears are gone forever. It would be better for you to pray day and night for family, friends, yourselves, loved ones, enemies, your nation, the world, than to try and continue something that is finished for all time. The obsessions of modern man will never be revived in my era of peace that follows the Great Tribulation. I assure you, I will not allow them to fester again. And if I call you home now or in the Great Tribulation, you can take nothing of this world with you. Let go now of the plans, possessions, worldly pursuits you are transfixed with, and concentrate on hearing my voice, doing my will, preparing in these last few moments before the storm of the ages breaks over your heads. This applies to all nations, races, and peoples of the world. For no one will be exempt from what is even now at your door. The wealthy West, North America, and Western Europe, you have heaped up coals of fire upon yourselves and will experience a fury long overdue for your wayward ways. But many other countries, India, Japan, all countries involved in voodoo, witchcraft, and ancestor worship have wallowed in following idols and false gods for millennia. That will also bring down upon themselves almost total destruction. For the false religions are the doctrines of devils that cannot deliver, nor can they hear your prayers, for they are only metal, wood, or painted paste. I will no longer wait for fallen humanity to return to my arms. It is finished. Repent now or be lost forever.